breaking news, let's talk about farts. Yep, farts. Asterisk quick cuts with sound effects of different funny fart and burp noises. Asterisk, did you know your body makes gas when it digests food? It's true. Farts come from your butt, while burps come from your mouth. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Everyone does it, even kings, astronauts, and teachers. But wait, there's more. Some animals use farts to protect themselves. Take the herring fish. For example, these clever creatures release bubbles from their behinds to confuse predators. Talk about a stinky defense mechanism. So next time you let one rip, remember, you're not alone. It's just your body doing its job, from digestion to self-defense. Farts play a surprisingly important role in nature. Now you know. Stay stinky, stay smart. Follow for more weird news.